Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, January 15th. The essay I'm going to read for you today from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled Misery. If peace comes from seeing the whole, then misery stems from a loss of perspective. We begin so aware and grateful. The sun somehow hangs here in the sky. The little bird sings. The miracle of life just happens. Then we stub our toe, and in that moment of pain, the whole world is reduced to our poor little toe. Now, for a day or two, it is difficult to walk. With every step, we are reminded of our poor little toe. Our vigilance becomes which defines our day, the pinch we feel in walking on a bruised toe, or the miracle still happening around us. When we narrow our focus, the problem seems everything. When our view shuts down, we are up in the night annoyed by the way our lover pulls the covers, forgetting how lonely we felt just a while ago dreaming of a partner. We feel frustrated by the way they leave the dishes in the sink without soaking them, forgetting how wonderful it was to be first seen and held and heard by them. In actuality, misery is a moment of suffering, allowed to become everything. So, when feeling miserable, we must look wider than what hurts. When feeling a splinter, we must, while trying to remove it, also remember there is a body that is not the splinter, and a spirit that is not the splinter, and the whole world that is not the splinter. That's a beautiful reminder, isn't it? So let's do a practice around that. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. Just see if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now let your attention drift to a physical sensation that is uncomfortable. Maybe it's a pain or ache or just some sort of discomfort. And notice if it's easy or challenging for you to find this discomfort, this sensation of being uncomfortable. Examine the qualities of this discomfort. What are the actual sensations here? Can you put some of them into words? Does it feel hot or cold, sharp or dull, steady or pulsing? After you've named a few qualities for yourself, allow yourself to just feel this discomfort non-verbally, touching the felt sense of it. Notice what thoughts, what emotions are being evoked in you as you focus on this experience of discomfort. Just let them be there. No need to push anything away. Simply noticing, simply being aware. Now scan your body and let your attention land on an area where there is no discomfort. Maybe it's your hands or your feet or anywhere else on the body where there is no discomfort. Explore your sensations here. Maybe the feeling is that of openness, lightness, spaciousness. Maybe you feel nothing here, not in a numb way, but rather in a neutral way. And here too, after you've named a few qualities of this experience, allow yourself to just feel this absence of discomfort, non-verbally. Notice what thoughts, what emotions are being evoked in you as you focus on this experience, the absence of discomfort. And now allow your attention to oscillate between the two areas, between these two sensations. Switch between the discomfort in one part of your body and the absence of this discomfort in another part of your body. Do it a few times at your pace, back and forth. The sensation of discomfort, the sensation of the absence of discomfort. How does this little exercise feel? Is it easy or challenging for you to go back and forth between the two sensations? What thoughts, what emotions does this exercise evoke? Can you acknowledge that there are opposite sensations, thoughts, and emotions living in you at the very same time? Can you acknowledge your own spaciousness that gives you that ability to hold those opposite experiences at once? And now place your hands on your heart, and as always, thank yourself for doing this today. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body again. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue contemplating these words. Misery is a moment of suffering, allowed to become everything. When feeling miserable, we must look wider than what hurts. So when you notice that you start feeling miserable today, acknowledge and honor that. No need to pretend that's not happening. But also remind yourself you're not just that discomfort. You're not just that pain. You're not just that unwanted experience. You're much bigger than all of it. You have space for all of it in your system. And you can hold all of it at the same time without any contradiction, the pleasant, the unpleasant, and the neutral. And notice how that awareness changes your experience. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.